Hi, welcome to Garfin's creation. This is a short video on a fire theme cake. So let's get started. To make the fire sails, I'll be cutting the rice paper into triangles. These rice papers are easily available online and in bakery accessory shops. I'm cutting the triangles into different sizes, some big and some small, so it could give a good dimension to the fire effect. I have used a total of 1.5 rice paper sheet for this cake. Now once this is done, I'll be showing you how to color them. I'll be taking a plate and adding some water into it. This is sunset orange gel color. You can use any orange color. Once you have got the right orange shade, I'll be dipping the rice paper into the water and keep them there for few seconds till they are soft enough to be molded. The rice paper is nice and colored and soft enough to be molded, so I'll just be squeezing one end to give it like a fire shape. Remove the rice paper from the water. As soon as you feel you can shape them and place them in a tray. I'll be completing all of them now. Once they are all colored, I'll be keeping them for a few hours to dry a bit. They are dry enough to be handled and to be colored once more in a deeper red color. Using red gel color into the same water, to get the gradient effect, I will be placing them just halfway through, so you get half orange and the top part of it red. The rice papers have absorbed the red color too. Now I'll be placing them on the tray and letting them dry thoroughly. You can let them dry for 7 to 8 hours or even overnight. Hope you can see the gradient effect. And now I'll be placing them on the tray and letting them dry completely hard. I have already frosted this cake in whipping cream and kept it ready. Take some orange gel color on a spatula and just tap it around the cake. I'll be doing the same even with red color, so I get the orange and red gradient color on the cake too. This is the total fire theme cake, so I'm using orange and red. With the help of a scraper, I'll be just turning the cake round so that the color spreads all over the cake. The cream that is left on the scraper, I'll be using it to color the top of the cake. I'll be keeping the cake in the fridge now, and just before delivery, I'll be adding the elements on the cake. This is an edible print of the character that I'll be placing on the cake. Using some neutral gel to stick the name on the cake board. The name too is of edible print. Lastly, I'll be adding the rice paper fire sails on the cake. I hope you like this idea and do give a thumbs up. Also, like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. Until we see you again in the next video. Bye-bye.